enough.
I have to put the camera down to get this one out. Big box. It's too wide for the door. Too wide.
So I did just suggest to put it the other way round, you know, women's minds and everything. Goes
All
in
right.
fine. Hi guys, and welcome to Hey Ho Let's Tow. This little video is just letting you know about some really cool funky bedding that we've managed to purchase at the NEC. So we've had 2 caravans now. The setup that we've had for the bed is that we've just used an ordinary bed topper from a double bed, which obviously dimensions isn't perfect and it's kind of overlapping at the corner. We then top that with some sleeping bags. I don't know why, it just felt at the time it was a good thing to do. And we kind of like the colours and the fabrics and stuff, so we just, they did the job, so we just kept them. But we have had in the back of our minds like wanting to get something specific for our caravan that kind of just fits really well. And I think sometimes when you're trying to make that decision to get something, you think, oh, it's really going to be really expensive, and how we're going to know what to get, it's really stressful. And when we went to the NEC, we sort of took the plunge. So this is what happened. So as you know, we've got a D44, and the Bailey D44 does have a French bed, which means it's got the cut off at the end of the bed, so it's not a proper sort of rectangular shape, and that is really problematic, especially with the topper that we had at the moment sort of catching as you got out, and sort of the mattress and the topper would just sort of kind of like try to move itself off the bed slowly in the middle of the night, almost like it had a mind of its own. And when we went to the NEC, we met up with the guys from Jonic, and we were really, really impressed just how friendly they were. It's a lovely family company, and they were just genuinely really knowledgeable about what they're doing. I mean, like, they've been doing it for about 20 years, so they kind of know what they're doing. And you can tell that they love what they do and the quality's there. I mean, when we spoke to them, they knew exactly the caravan that we needed and what we needed for the caravan and the type of bed that we had. We'd been to another store at the NEC that day, and they were asking us for the dimensions of our bed. And I mean, who carries those round with you? Like, when you're walking around, how stressful is that? Like, before you want to actually purchase something, you've got to like have the dimensions of your caravan. I mean, it's just ridiculous. So these guys have got a database of so many different models of caravan, and they just take the stress out of getting something for your caravan that's going to be perfect for you. So we trust them. They were brilliant. They really know what they're doing. They're industry experts at the end of the day in the bedding, in, like, you know, duvet industry and mattress industry and all leisure bedding. They know what they're doing, and you trust them. So we went there. We've managed to choose a duvet and a mattress topper, and we've got the bedding to go with it. So I'm really excited to show you. And it's all boxed up, so we're going to do the unboxing right now. This is a pretty big box, isn't it? I think the posties said that it took virtually all of their postal van just delivering our items. So let's see what's in the box. It's Christmas like all over again, isn't it? Oh, it's lovely. Okay.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Isn't that nice? It's packaged nicely though, isn't it? It's got a really nice like protector on it. Look, it's little details, isn't it? We already use bags like similar to this actually to store all of our bedding. So it's really nice that it's come like this. Really lovely.
Empty box.
I'm surrounded by all my goodies here. Right, so we went for a 15-inch. No, we didn't. Okay, so we went for the 15 tog hollow fibre duvet. You could go for a down one, but we went for the hollow fibre. And the really clever thing about it is that you don't have to choose whether or not it's one season or another, because they basically zip together, which is really fantastic. So this is the warmer one. This is the 10.5 tog here, as you can see, very nice and squishy. This one here is the 4.5, and so you basically attach them together if you want the full benefit, or you could just use the different ones for different seasons. So let's have a little feel of them. They come in these super storage bags as well, which are great. Just open them up. First time I've seen it. It's quite exciting. So these are all made UK company, all made with UK suppliers, all in the UK. You can just, there we go. And that's in Morecambe, isn't it? That's where their factory is. So we haven't been across there, but it's all made in the UK, which is lovely. Machine washable, as you can see here. And you can just see it's all finished really nicely. The attention to detail is really, really good. I pick up on things like that. I like to have a good look really good nosy, and I can just see it's great. You know what you like, you know what I'm like. I can see anything that's wrong, but I think it's looking really good actually.
So that's the 10.5 tog one, isn't it?
Yeah, this is the 10.5, as you can see here, from the Jonic group. And then they've got these handy little poppers here, which help to put them together.
You should attach the two
Yeah.
duvets together.
So it's really easy because there's no massive skill at doing it. You just
Clickety click.
clickety click. So in addition to the duvets, we also got the duvet cover to go with it. Now I went for the polyester only because I really wanted the navy to kind of go with the colour scheme in here. It goes really nice with the orange as well. But they do an all cotton, which would be 100% cotton, and that would be in the white variant sort of colour scheme, sort of creamy white. So but these are the ones we've gone for. There we go.
A lot of the Caravan's blue, isn't it? So it matches blue in it quite nicely.
Yeah.
They didn't do an orange, did they,
They
unfortunately?
do an orange. I did ask why they didn't do like mid-century patterned ones, but not everybody likes it, unfortunately. So, but yeah, really nice.
Yeah, we'll put that on in a sec.
Yeah, we'll get that on. So
And there's also what down there, so they've got the pillowcases as well.
And yes, we went for the housewife pillows. Let us know what if you prefer Oxford or if you prefer like the housewife pillows. We've gone for these ones, so pretty simple.
I don't even know what the difference is, to be honest.
You got that frilly bit around the edge.
Right.
An extra bit, which I think is just a bit faff. But yeah, so there we go, nice and simple. And that way you can use your own pillows. Obviously everyone's got their own depth of thickness and that they like, so we just went for just the pillowcases to match with the duvet cover. So here we are, this is our duvet topper, so let's have a little look. We went for the 3-inch, pretty luxurious. Why not? Thing is, when you do go away, you do want to be really comfortable in your caravan. I know a lot of people complain about their caravan, you know, beds just not being that comfortable. When you spend all that time going away, you want it to just feel really nice, don't you?
We'll get extra views if you chop one of your fingers off.
I don't think pink or red on there. It's not really good.
Ta-da!
Ta-da.
We've probably got it on backwards, have we? Upside down. That's the cut off bit here, so this needs to be over that way there, I think.
That's the cut off bit. So we've opened it out. We're just going to let this air on the bed. It just
That's very squishy, isn't it?
It is really squishy. I mean, it's got that sort of, it doesn't pop up straight away, it just kind of like, you can just see that coming back up. It's really nice. That's the problem, isn't it? I'm not going to want to be getting out of bed now. Like, get to the campsite, we'll just be stuck in the bed lounging. Right, so we've got everything out and we've seen what we've got. We're going away in another couple of weeks, so once we've had our trip away and we've tried it out, we'll give our honest review about what we think about it. But it's just going to be so exciting just to have bedding that actually just looks great in the caravan. So looking forward to that. So as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!